Zimbabwe's future cannot and will not be hijacked by a handful of individuals who arrogate to themselves the role of sole custodians of the people's voice. Sarabina Mashko Branch's public hearings must reflect the bill's will. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timita Pahendo, yakanzi mamboyeza NP family chiti. The withdrawal of certain opposing figures from the Constitution Amendment Number 3 Cap 3 public hearings is not an act of principle. It is an abdication of responsibility. Walking away from the Constitution mandated process does not strengthen democracy. It undermines it. It exposes a worrying tendency to abandon national platforms whenever outcomes appear uncertain or uncontrollable. This is not leadership. It is political convenience dressed up as protest. Their absence, however, is achieved the opposite of what they may have intended. It has opened the door for disciplined, constructive citizens to participate without theatrics, obstruction, or manufactured chaos. Zimbabweans who value progress are stepping forward, engaging meaningfully, and ensuring that their voices are heard where it matters most. Public hearings are not stages for political grandstanding. They are instruments of democratic expression. Those who choose to boycott them forfeit the moral authority to later claim exclusion or misrepresentation. Let it be clear, democracy does not bend to noise, nor does it submit to intimidation. It is built on participation, accountability, and respect for process. Minority voices must be heard, but they cannot be allowed to paralyze national progress or override the collective will. Domba developments are pangwana tukona this ZANU-PF member ari criticize opposition members vanonekwa kunzi vakauya vakati aiwa atichatiki part public hearings after taona kuti panga pane assault akanyanyisa aitika kuma opposition members pamwe chete nekuya kwakaonekwa kunzi kana uchingo-opposa the bill waibva watongotorwa mic. Madevelopments anoonekwa kunzi panguva inoi the ruling party ZANU-PF vakomana ava vanoda kungwarirwa. Penda kuma section medu zvafungira aim kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.